Our father left us some property in his will. I can't help thinking that it's been divided unfairly. Do you remember what I got? My father has left me this cat. What am I supposed to do with it?
You don't have to do anything with me.
A talking cat? Did I really hear you speak, or am I dreaming?
My dear master, please don't think that I'm useless. Just wait and see what I do, and you'll be happy that I belong to you.
How can I be happy when I've only got a cat and nothing else?
You will understand soon, but first, can you get me a pair of boots and a sack?
Did you forget that I don't have any money? See if you can find a sack here. We'll get the cobbler to make you a pair of boots.
Thank you. That's exactly what I need. Now that we have the sack, let's go and get a pair of boots from the cobbler.
Found a sack? You're a smart fellow. Come, we'll go and see the cobbler. I'll pay him for the boots later.
Yes, this is the cobbler's workshop. I can get my boots here. This is the last pair of boots I have. Let it bring you luck. Thank you. These boots suit me perfectly.